This is the amazing half pig, half cat. She looks like the average cat, but she has the voice box of a pig. Listen to her snort. Sit still. Come here. Come here. Come on. Did she climb? Yeah. Oh, she can't breathe. Say hi. Okay. Say bye. Bye. Bye bye.